but you know, stuff happens when it gets heated up and, you know, crap. So I'm going to try and make some of them. I got some sheet metal, and I'm going to try to fabrication. So I don't know if I got enough room on the phone to film everything, but so I measured at 16 by 6.5. This is 8-10 or something. So I'm going to have to cut it with my, maybe I should do a review on that. What is it, Mastercraft? Yeah, it's a Mastercraft. So I got this cut out, you know, zip this up here, and I'm going to, you know, put a line here, mark it, cut it at 6.5, and we'll go from there. I'm trying to save space so I can get as much of this as possible. So over and out. See you soon. Come on. Oh, you slut. Like I said. Well, one battery. Well, I mean, can't expect to get any more than 30 seconds out of a Mastercraft battery, I suppose. The tools are good, but this particular battery is dirty. So, just show you what I've done here. What I'm just doing is I'm going to try and see the slots here. That's what I'm going to cut in here, and then just bend this out. Bend this out so that the heat can go up and the grease run off. Alright, Do that with all of it. So, I'm just putting this on the vise like that. Then with the back of the hammer, like that, right? And then do the, right? And then, that's what you're left with, see? Pretty, I know this is crude, and I know it's not professional, but do I care? Because, I mean, this is thicker than this. What is this anyway? Since you guys are hanging around, let me see what this is here. All right, let's get a good part. Still silver on this. Let's not get some steak on there, you know. So this is 0.7 millimeter. 0.7 millimeters. This here has got to be thicker than that. This is 22 gauge. Oh, you know what? You know what, folks? It isn't thicker. Well, 0.8. Yeah, well, it is thicker by 2 or 3 blonde ones, but I don't think that's, we'll call it even Steven. So, man, I thought because it's more brittle, I suppose, I mean, you know, even the stuff that's not rotted, it's, yeah, well, whatever. Anywho, it's not fancy, but it's going to get the job done. And I know this is galvanized, so I'm gonna put it on there and you know, give it a good burning first, so I don't poison somebody. And yeah, so that's all I'm doing. And folks, that's pretty much about it. Simple. You see, you just I got this about an inch bigger than. About an inch bigger, you know, 1/2 inch outside. That's 2 1/4, 2 1/4. I might do a little roll on the sides, maybe not, because it is longer. But I'm thinking it should still sit. Say, you know, say that's the burner. That's about the same size. Are you seeing this? Pay attention. You put that there, yeah, it's not going to, that's why I moved the fins, you know, the openings up a bit, because if it does touch the pan underneath, which I made a new one, by the way, it come out sweet. I should have filmed that. But, yeah, so that'll be okay. A little extra, it's not going to hurt nothing, right? I mean, who complains with a little extra? Alright, so guys, I think that's it. I know it's short and jumpy. I got to check to see if it didn't shut off. No, it didn't shut off. So, yeah, let me see what you can see here. But anyway, you know, it's just the way. I know it's cheap. Well, it's not cheap. Actually, 2 of these, when I priced them, now, that was a few weeks ago, so it might be on sale because of the season, but I'm not in town to see. I checked online, Canadian Tire and stuff. I didn't see any in my store. So, I mean, but for, I believe it was 2 of these, 4 of them, or I forget now, but they were 35 bucks. I think you only got 3. I could be wrong on it. I don't remember what it was, but I know it was pretty expensive for a piece of, you know, a piece of tin, right? So I got the tin, so I'm just going to make my own. That's a couple cases of beer in my pocket, right? Well, in my stomach. But anyway, that's pretty much how it is. Just wanted to make a quick video, so yeah, I just drilled the holes roughly where I wanted them to beat out the fins, and that's going to do just fine. That's going to sit there. It's going to save the burners because, well, you've seen the holes, you know. I mean, it's going to save the burners, right? So, folks, again, I appreciate your comments. I appreciate you subscribing. You're a fine bunch of people, and I hope that you're staying safe, and I hope that you're not getting none of this stuff that we got today. So, and if you like it, you're crazy. You've got to be crazy to